Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 5 benefits of Soursop tea and how to make it at home. Soursop tea is an herbal tea made from the leaves of the soursop tree. The antioxidants in soursop tea help strengthen the immune system and reduce oxidative stress. If you are suffering from indigestion, soursop tea can help you soothe the discomfort. Soursop tea helps boost your metabolic processes, which speed up the weight loss process. With its astringent properties, soursop tea helps tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Soursop tea is rich in potassium, which helps lower high blood pressure. You can make caffeine-free soursop tea in 2 easy steps if you have soursop leaves on hand. Soursop leaves a strong flavor, so only steep a few in boiled water for 15 minutes. Strain the mixture into a cup and add any sweetener of your choice and enjoy the tea. Soursop tea may have many side effects, so make sure to consult with your doctor before consuming it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.